Good morning all. Topic for my today's presentation is unusual presentation of a case of uveal melanoma and managed successfully at a tertiary care center. I have no financial disclosures. A 66-year-old female of Indian origin presented with left-sided headache for 7 months, left eye pain for 1 month, dimness of vision in the left eye for 1 month. She was a known hypertensive for 5 years and was controlled under medication. She had left-sided severe throbbing headache for 7 months with waxing waning course, not relieved on analgesics. Investigations done by general medicine failed to establish the etiology of headache. The patient started having left eye pain, which was dull, boring in nature, and gradual dimness of vision for the last 1 month. The vision decreased to PL negative in the left eye in 20 days. The patient consulted ophthalmology after complete loss of vision in the left eye. On examination, the lid adnexa, cornea, and anterior chamber were found to be normal damage in both the eyes. The iris in the left eye showed NVIs in the inferior 5 to 7 o'clock position. There was NS grade 2 cataract in both the eyes, but there was no NVAs on gonioscopy. The IOP was normal in both the eyes. Ocular movements were full, smooth, and painless in all directions. The fundus revealed a brownish black pigmented homogeneous uniform dome-shaped mass array originating from the nasal side of the retina and extending in the vitreous cavity, crossing the pupillary aperture and extending up to the temporal side. There was no view of the macula and optic disc. The USG-B scan was done. It showed an homogeneous mass originating from the nasal aspect. The mass was had an acoustically silent zone, and there was presence of choroidal excavation with an acoustic shadow in the orbit. The mass showed a typical cholestered appearance. On Doppler imaging, the tumor was found to be vascular. The MRI showed the mass as an homogeneously hyperintense in T1 weighted image, as hypointense in T2 weighted image, and as a hypointense on fat suppression image also. There was no extension of the mass beyond the globe. The investigations were done to look for metastasis. There was no metastatic lesion found on the investigations. The mass was confirmed as a choroidal melanoma of the left eye. Treatment was the left eye enucleation with a PMMA implant performed under LA with the HP sample sent. HP showed this picture, which is of a polygonal cell with abundant eosinophilic cytoplasm with distinct cell borders, large nucleoli, and conspicuous nucleoli, which is suggestive of a epithelial cell type of choroidal melanoma. The most common symptoms of choroidal melanoma are asymptomatic with flashes, floaters, dimness of vision, pain, and symptom of METS. Study conducted by P. Rishi et al. Had shown headache as a presenting feature of choroidal melanoma in less than 1% of individuals. Pathophysiology of headache has been described as angle closure glaucoma and spontaneous tumor necrosis. In our case, patient had left-sided headache for 5 months. The cause of headache was initially not attributed to ocular etiology because of no ocular complaints. This is because headache is rare and unusual clinical symptom of presentation of choroidal melanoma. Histopathologically, epithelial type is the most aggressive and fast progressing variant with higher chances of tumor metastasis and tumor necrosis. HP in our case revealed epithelial variant. Take home message for from my session is choroidal melanoma is relatively rare in Indian population, and headache is an unusual presenting symptom. A clinician should be aware of such presentation and should evaluate promptly for ocular etiologies and tumor. Choroidal tumors can be aggressive and cause metastatic lesions, endangering life of the patient. Proper evaluation, multi-department consultation, wise decision should be taken before planning conservative management. In aggressive tumors, it is prudent to perform timely enucleation to preserve life of the patient. Thank you.
What was the IOP for the patient in the PL negative eye?
Ma'am, 16 and 20 mm of Hg. In the PL negative, it was 20 mm of Hg.
She did not give any history of red eye in the preceding time?
No, ma'am. She just had a history of headache, chronic headache for last 7 months, and then she started having pain in the left eye for last 1 month, and the vision deteriorated to PL negative within next 20 days. This was the only feature of the patient.